Return to APC. Eze Iyamu begs Obaseki, says he wouldn't be recognized as a leader in PDP. The All Progressive Congress flag bearer in the just concluded gubernatorial election in Edo State, Pastor Eze Iyamu, has appealed to Governor Godwin Obaseki, who defeated him at the polls, to return to the APC. Recall that Mr. Obaseki polled 307,955 votes to defeat his main rival, Osage Eze Iyamu of the All Progressive Congress (APC), who had 223,619 votes. He also won in 13 of the 18 local government areas and thus scored more than 25% of votes cast in two-thirds of the local governments in the state to satisfy the second constitutional requirement to be declared. Governor Obaseki won his first election in 2016 as a candidate of the APC, principally supported by Adams Oshomole, the immediate past governor and former chairman of the APC. Mr. Eze Iyamu was then the candidate of the PDP, but in the course of his term as the governor, Obaseki became estranged with Oshomole, causing an epic political battle, now capped off with his victory today. The battle contributed to the fall of Mr. Oshomole as the chairman of the APC, but Obaseki also could not get that party's ticket and he had to switch to the PDP with his deputy, Philip Shaibu. In a recent television broadcast late Wednesday, Eze Iyamu said, and I quote, "We are going to talk to everybody. We are going to bring everybody back. I want to salute my brother, the governor. I would like to appeal to him to return to the party. In every family, we have disagreements. Let it not be said that it was this disagreement that pushed him out. I made that mistake before and I have come to realize that it was a grievous error and I will not want him as a senior brother to make the same mistake. I would like to appeal to him to set aside his anger and come back in APC. He is recognized as a leader and it will be difficult for him to be recognized as a leader in the new party he is going." Thank you for listening to this news. It's a big lie. A very big lie, I tell you. You can see that Eze Iyamu is not a good politician. Obaseki knows better than him. See, there is more godfatherism in APC than in PDP. PDP is even more neutral than APC when it comes to godfatherism. You understand? So where Obaseki is right now is even more preferable and better. What should he be doing with a party that humiliated him, that almost cost him his dismissal from office? What will he be doing with them? I was even saying that he even has a forgiving heart for even calling them back to the table of reconciliation, despite all that they did to him. He just pondered everything in his heart, like our mother Mary, the mother of Jesus. What is it? What will he be doing in APC that almost pushed him away from politics completely? I don't think that decision is right. He cannot come back. He already has a home. Can't you see how PDP accepted him? They gave him his support. They stood by him. They supported him. Even at the toughest time, they rallied around him. They covered his shame and pulled him out of that shame. They clothed him and gave him reason to move on. What if PDP never accepted him? What do you think would have been of Obaseki today? Would he have won the election? Ize-Iyamu would have been the winner, because anyone PDP presents would have failed PDP, then APC would have won the election. You understand? So that is it. So let's call it spade and tell ourselves the truth. Obaseki has made the right decision. So everyone should know that. He hasn't made any mistake. And it's Ize-Iyamu that is talking. Why saying this now? Is it now that he has failed, that he knows that he will now console Obaseki and ask him to come back? Huh? No way. He doesn't need it. He doesn't need it. He should remain in APC and keep contesting under the platform of APC. I think if he's to come outside again, it's going to be for the third time, and that depends if APC is going to give him the opportunity to contest. Yes, that depends. The godfatherism in APC is so high. So high. So I am not of that support. He should remain where he is. He should continue his leadership where he is. He should not listen to anyone. Anyone asking him to come back is trying to deceive him. He must not concur to the trick. It is a setup. Alright? It's a setup, my dear. Don't listen to them. Do you understand? Listening to them may cost you a lot. So if you don't want that, you better remain calm and remain where you are. Do you understand? Don't forget the hand that fed you. So, my viewers, what is your take? What is your observation on what Ize-Iyamu has just requested from Obaseki? Please, you do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.